Good afternoon. Thank you for joining me again as Shira Rose on this Thursday afternoon, May 21st. Happy birthday to me and happy Uranus Kazini just right around the corner. So many exciting things are happening in the cosmos. It's relatively quiet here at the collective. And I'm hoping the same for the collective I am speaking to as well. Peace be with you and all of yours. Thank you again for joining me. We'll get into some cards here and a little bit of sound straight away. But first, let's take a couple deep breaths and gently move the body anywhere that feels like it needs just a little bit of soft, gentle movement. And then becoming aware of your breath and drawing fresh, clean breath into spaces that might feel a little stuck. Sighing it out. Swaying gently back and forth. Letting the spine just be moved by the energies that you feel around you or inside of you, working to marry those energies together. Nice release. Beautiful. Stretching the arms up to the heavens. If it feels comfortable, gently letting your gaze follow. Opening up the throat chakra, feeling the energy around your arms into your heart. Gently letting the arms, hands, shoulders fall back. Gravity taking hold. And one more breath into that warm heart. Expanding through the rib cage and softening through the back of the shoulder blades. Calling on the angels to be here on this beautiful May day. Angels of light, love, mercy, and bounty for humankind. Surround us with the love of the divine, allowing us, once we can acknowledge that, whether we can or not, to accept the love around us. Remembering our ancestors, the seeds of beauty they've left for us on this planet, the gorgeous light energies that surround us. We thank you, ancestors, for coming into physical form and leaving in grace. Calling on the divine, the source, within us, our highest self, be embodied into our physical space. That our actions, words, thoughts may be a true reflection of the highest love and gifts of abundance for each person, each entity that this physical body comes in contact with throughout our waking and resting hours. Thank you for being present for our present, your presence in our presence. And so it is. A few more cleansing breaths with me. In and out. In and out. In big open mouth. Exhale out. Soft shoulders. Soften the third eye. Soften the belly, the hips, the calves, the ankles. Wiggle the toes with me. As you exhale, let everything go. Thank you for your presence here. I appreciate you. Best birthday gift ever for me is to be here with you. And I just thank you for sharing your attention and your energy with me. And I will do my best to show up in all grace and honesty for you. Oh, the threads of fate. Here we are. We're going to start heavy. Love this one. Also didn't bring my glasses today, so I am going to try my best to decipher words in the booklet. And of course, speak truth. By speak truth, I mean sometimes we have to improvise and let it flow. Our divine inspiration that comes from our hearts and the intention that we have in the interaction. So here we are. Let's speak truth. Boldly, uninhibited. Appreciate you. One more. Let our truth be from our hearts. Let's try again. Oops. There, sometimes it just flies out at you. Oh, gotta love this one. Death. All right. Yeah. The beauty of a death is that in every ending, it's beautiful in the beginning. So, let's get into these heavy cards. All right. Ganesha. So present in every death that I've experienced. Ganesha has been there to show me how the clearing of a body can open up so many energetic pathways. And it's an interesting way to look at it, I guess. It's not a traditional perspective, but it's a gift that was given to me from those departed, I think. A way for me to be shown peace in those moments. So I opened straight up to speak truth. So here we go. All right, I can read. This card is asking you to tap into what needs to be brought out of you. It extends beyond speaking and into embodying. What truth of yours needs form? Your soul, heart, and body are always trying to communicate with you. Maybe you find yourself mysteriously drawn to a subject, art form, or genre. Maybe you realize you're having every purple thing you see. You're buying every purple thing you see. That's silly. All of these things, whether small or large, are your heart's longing. It is an ember of our truth trying to light within us. In order to nurture that flame, we must breathe life into it, embody it, speak it, embrace it. Tap into your truth in any way you can and give it power by naming it however you feel called to name it. And as I was reading it, I had this little purple, bright purple light down in the bottom of my vision. So that was exciting. So, the power of words is so amazing. Just speaking that purple and just laughing about it invited a purple entity into this space. Why does that say parrot? The parrot has earned its reputation for being the animal most adept at vocalization, which makes it incredibly useful in all things communication. However, when we're examining the parrot, we must also note its color. The parrot demands attention, whether through sound or sight. The parrot is an ally if you feel timid in expressing yourself in any way. This is kind of interesting, because I'm not exactly sure how much truth a parrot speaks. Those of you who have birds can probably correct me on this or help me out in the comments below. But I know parrots are great at repeating things. And I know they recognize people, so they will speak people's names or maybe what they want or desire, which is a truth, of course. But yeah, speaking truth is also not repeating others' truths. It's finding what is inside of you and expressing that. It can be repeating other people's truths can be a powerful tool to reflect back to them, as long as you don't own anybody else's truth. Red clover. It's incredibly useful in unlocking the emotions and truths waiting to be spoken. On a physical level, red clover is cleansing. It pulls inflammation and mucus that hides in the body and allows it to be expelled. It does the same on an emotional level, pulling out the hidden truths in ourselves to be spoken. Speak your truth is a very common mantra, but sometimes we need support in identifying what that is. Call on red clover to work with the many currents of your truth. And Amazonite is the beautiful stone to support expressing our truth. There is no Amazonite here. In this space, I have a beautiful image in my mind of the Amazonite that I have at home. And speaking of, today I am wearing a Moldavite pendant with a Libyan desert glass pendant with opals in it. And opals are also extremely useful for opening up the third eye, and they do resonate with the purity of our truth. So there that is. Now we have death. Let's see, what element is death in? It is in the ether, which makes complete sense. All right. Death. It's the shortest explanation in the entire book. We all have our own feelings, thoughts, and words, I'm sure, about death. And I hope these words can give you a little bit of comfort. Most of all, I found that looking to what has passed has provided me the peace, even though the process of looking deeply into the truth of those who have passed has been painful. And again, it's a process, so it takes time. There's so many gifts that those deceased can give us and teach us about how to navigate between this physical realm and the spiritual. So if you communicate thoughtfully with the earth and asking your loved ones who have departed to work with the earth for the answers, your heart and your body, your mind does discover them. I'd say the mind is the last, but the heart and the body know. Death. This card signals that an ending, change, or metaphysical death is currently happening or is on the horizon. It may feel like the universe is stripping things away from you. You may feel shaken, raw, and uncertain. This is okay. This period is a preparation for what is to come. New adventure and abundance is making its way to you, and it needs space. Sometimes we can get too focused on the things we need to get rid of or the things that need to die, that we are not inviting new things into our lives. When we bring in more life, it's easier to allow things to die. If you find yourself in a period of death, try to incorporate some new things you can enjoy to create balance. I don't know. I mean, everybody has their process, but I've just been getting rid of things like crazy. I mean, I guess I have had more career opportunities start to branch out. And so I guess that makes the physical space feel tighter. And so I've been getting rid of a lot of things in the physical space because so many energetic things have been coming towards me. So that makes sense. We're still in the scorpionic energy from that full moon last month. All right. Here we are with the Sacred Journey Oracle cards. Hopefully this can lighten it up. I'm not promising anything. Let's tap some energy out of these. How about some happy birthday wishes on this sacred journey? Okay. For us in the collective, that's a little too obvious. We can't do the front card. Call it my OCD. I like them out of the middle. Yeah, move your body. Okay, enough said. Next step. Here we go. We shall move the body. Here, why don't you take a look. Beautiful. You don't have to move your body in nature, although that is a healing way to do so. If your only option is to move your body in your home or a gym, do that. I love free flow, moving my body. A lot of people like to do repetitive type of movements, whatever feels best to your body and your rhythms. It's always up to you how you move your body. So LMM, move your body. Full writing, and this one's even smaller. I don't know why this helps, but it does. Make sure you're getting out and moving your body each day, preferably outside in nature, but there are many reasons why this may not be possible for you. Walk around your house, do a few yoga poses, or more intense physical activities. Start off small if you must, but get your body moving. If you have been considering signing up for a physical fitness class, going on a hike, or a similar activity, this could be the card you have been waiting for. Yes, I just recently rejoined my yoga gym in the town next door. So I did some community Reiki with some blessed beings, divine feminines, all of them yesterday. And maybe some hatha this evening. Lots of breath work. This particular yoga studio is focused on breath work. So moving the energy. Breath can move the body in powerful ways. I know it seems like just breathing, but once you focus on where that breath is going, wow, you can see that breath is actually a whole energetic, not just energy, physical movement in the body. All right, well, this has been calling to me. I put the deck face down. So this play card. We will read that one real quickly before doing the very last one. All right, play. I have a feeling it's an earth sign. Play, play, play. LMNO. Play. Ooh, it's water. Oh yeah, dolphins. Water. Okay, 72. If anybody has water around them, I am jealous. They should go out and splash around and play in the water. It is, I'm not saying I don't, because I do. I have an ocean and I can put my feet in. It's just a little chilly, a little reticent to play in the water, although my feet are a part of me and they probably would love to play in the water right now. I should probably do that after this. In the process of becoming an adult, many of us have bought into the idea that all the things we do must have a purpose. But one of the most magical things we can do is invest ourselves in something that has no point, to simply act from a place of creation without any desired result or outcome. Feel called to make a fort, want to paint or draw, collage, jump on a trampoline, do all the things and more. I have a swing in my backyard too, so there's an easy one. This is not to say you shouldn't take pictures, make money, receive compliments, or burn calories. It only means make sure you are partaking in activities where you have zero expectations. Also, we can sometimes begin an activity and then notice its benefits. It may end up becoming an item on our to-do list or something that is no longer considered play. If you still want to do it, please do, but try to do it from a place of play, or find something else that is. And obviously, dolphin is the animal that is reflective of play. Huckleberry is the earth element. Plant supporting this. Refuses to be domesticated. It remains wild. In fact, commercial farmers have been trying to cultivate huckleberry but have continued to fail. Its magic is useful for those who remain focused on productivity and taming that which grows wild within us. Invoke the spirit of huckleberry and reflect on your relationship with pleasure and play and your wild spirit. When did you begin to feel like you must do everything with purpose? When did you stop playing? Do you associate anything negative with pleasure? Call upon huckleberry when you want to shed the limitations you have inherited around playfulness. There we go. All right, our last deck is the Universal Wisdom card. I brought the bowls over here. Let's find some. I love to play my music bowls. It is an element of play. I just let my hands, my heart, the bowls all communicate with each other. Universal wisdom, little nugget today. I see pink. She says rest. All right. Wow. We have rest and play. Reminding us it is all important. It's about that balance. All right. One more card, because I am not resting today. This is my special day. Okay, I might go to the beach and play and then rest in the sand. How's that? Oh, compassion, of course. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, compassion. One of the biggest feelings next to love is compassion. Love it. All right. Here we go. Ganesha can stay there. Rest. Went right to it. You may have become so absorbed in the everyday issues of life that you have forgotten the importance of taking time out to rest. Perhaps you feel that there simply is not enough time and that time is running out. No, these feelings are simply an illusion. You have the power to achieve all you want to wish, You have the power to achieve all you want to with ease, provided you stop dwelling solely on material issues and fears. It's important to learn to detach yourself from everyday concerns. The more you learn to relax, the clearer life will serve you. Remember that you are an eternal spirit. Rest and allow love's light to heal your fears and anxieties. Allow love to guide you. It will bring balance to your life. As your mind is cleared of all stress, anxiety, and concern, you create the opening for your spirit to be felt and heard. You will then be able to communicate with your spirits and reconnect with the truth and purpose of your life. Keep an open mind and heart. An idea will soon come to you, which will help you greatly. This idea stems from your spirit. It is a blessing from the universe that will help bring balance and abundance into your life. You will soon start to see your life from a higher perspective, and you will find that you have adequate time for all in your life, including taking regular time out to rest. Okay, it's so true. I love that death and rest came out on this card reading. So important to know even our spirits need rest. Compassion, you are a jewel. Even though you may not see it, all that you consider to be imperfect allows greater light to shine through. Even though you may see it or not, you may not see it. All that you consider to be imperfect allows greater light to shine through. Even in darkness, you are eternally bright. Kuan Yin, known in Buddhism as the goddess of compassion and mercy, has shown up in your reading today to ask you to be more compassionate towards yourself. She asks you to reflect on the many times you have critical thoughts about yourself. Make an effort to replace these negative thoughts with positive and loving ones. Your spirit lives always in perfection, even though from the physical plane you may perceive that you are less than perfect. Perfection exists in all things, even though we may not always see it. All is perfect and all is sacred. Remember that the physical world is simply spirit clothed in matter. From a spiritual perspective, life is a game whose sole objective is for us to remember who we truly are. You are an eternal being of love and light, and even though your mind may see imperfection in many things, in actuality, everything is perfect. Everything serves a purpose, otherwise it would cease to exist. Do not strive to perfect your flaws, accept them. Accept your flaws and imperfections. Love yourself as you are. View things compassionately, and you will see the underlying beauty that exists in all things. Here we are. This beautiful bowl. The bowl with truth and Archangel Michael. Let's take one more card from Gianna's deck. All the gratitude for being in this space, sending out love to her. May all the words, ideas, concepts that have been shared, the vibrations, meld in everyone's hearts. May the energies wind together and be understood on a level that our spirits can hear. beautiful Spirit Warrior Oracle cards. Oh, you came out. You are trust. Beautiful. I get here. 19 is the card, and trust it is. It is intuition, guidance, and truth. Full circle. I like this. Beloved one. Beloved one. This message is for you. It has arrived to encourage you to bring more trust into your life. When we worry, we send nervous energy and signals out to the universe, which can create disharmony and imbalance. Worry is simply just praying for what we do not want. On the contrary, when we allow ourselves to lean in and transmute that worry into trust and surrender, letting go of control, the universe responds in a harmonious and gentle way. You're being asked to trust your heart and your intuition. All of the answers are within you. All you have to do is lean into the divine trust that everything is in the right place for you right now. Everything is in divine order, dear one. You are safe. Trust comes when we can stay in the present moment as much as possible and remember all of the beauty that already surrounds us. Everything you need already have, and anything your heart desires will arrive in the most divine moment. For now, trust that you are on the right path and all is well. Everything will make more sense the more you trust. Your divine guidance has taken care of this. Your divine guidance, the guides around you and within you, have taken care of you this far. Trust that they hold you in this continuous flow of love. You are so loved. You are love. Place one hand on your heart and say this mantra out loud whenever you want to shift your energy from worry to trust. And you can repeat after me if you like. I trust that I am safe. I trust that I am protected. I trust that I am supported. I trust that I am surrounded by love. I trust my own heart and intuition. I am divinely loved. I am loved. And I love you. And I trust you. I thank you. I enjoy you. Hopefully we'll get a chance to play together soon. I honor you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening, for feeling into this space, allowing the words to be embodied within your own energetic aura. My heart to yours, back again, and we create the